Welcome to Engineering Mechanics video lecture. In this video lecture, I am trying to explain you about parallelogram law of forces. If the two forces acting simultaneously on a body at a point represented in magnitude and direction by two adjacent sides of a parallelogram, the resultant is represented in magnitude and direction by diagonal of the parallelogram which passes through the point of intersection of the two sides representing the forces. Consider a solid spherical ball. On this ball, we have to consider a point O. At this particular point on the spherical ball O, if the two forces of magnitude P and Q acting simultaneously represented in magnitude and direction considering these two forces P and Q are two adjacent sides of parallelogram, the resultant is represented in magnitude and direction by diagonal of the parallelogram which passes through the point of intersection of the two sides of parallelogram of the forces. Resultant of these two forces P and Q indicates as diagonal of the parallelogram, capital R. By following given geometry of parallelogram, we can estimate the resultant of these two forces. Considering angle in between two forces P and Q as theta, within OACB parallelogram, OB is parallel to AC and also OA is parallel to BC. As we consider OB magnitude as P, AC magnitude also P. As OB is making theta incline with horizontal OA, AC also make theta incline with horizontal. From C end of the parallelogram, when you draw perpendicular line perpendicular to OA extended line, we have to get a new point D. By following geometry of ODC, that indicates as right angled triangle. By following geometry of ADC, it also indicates as right angled triangle. By following right angle triangle ODC, we can apply Pythagoras theorem. OC square equal to OD square plus DC square. By following right angle triangle ODC, we can estimate OC very easily. By following Pythagoras theorem, OC square equal to OD square plus DC square. OD included OA and AD. It is the summation of OA and AD. In right angle triangle ADC, AD indicates as adjacent component of theta for the given diagonal AC. DC indicates as opposite component of theta for the AC diagonal. We can estimate AD as P into cos theta, DC as P into sin theta. From the geometry of parallelogram, OC indicates as resultant of P and Q. forces. OA indicates as Q force. The resultant of these two P and Q theta inclined forces is R equal to square root of P square plus Q square plus 2 into P into Q into cos theta.